So what's going on here?
Oh, just playing?
Just playing, is that what we call it?
Yeah.
Just playing.
Yes. Yes, sir, that's correct.
So how much have we got done?
A little bit.
A little bit?
We now have a door card
Wait.
with working windows. Hold on.
Wait, that's whiz bang. Shoo!
Look at that.
Ain't that flash? Do the windows do the thingy? I mean the mirrors do the thingy? Wait, that's flash. That's well good and flash.
Alright, so we've got gear lever just about ready to go in, stereos in, the climate control unit's in. I've just pulled the dash cluster back out because the backlights aren't working. I've got another cluster there that I'm going to try to use. Also got that door card done. We do have a Broadway mirror, also dash mats on. I have vents coming very soon, hopefully, and all my Haltech gear is getting close to being wired in. So in a minute I'm going to put my gearbox oil in, gear lever, surround back on, and then I've got to get the surround and put it on. Then move on to Haltech stuff, I think. Actually, I've got to put the other door cards on yet. Might do that first, and then, yeah, we'll get in on it. Alrighty, so what we got here is Redline Shockproof Heavy. It is a really, really good oil, especially for an old Nissan gearbox. So, luckily, we have some of this to put in if we can get the top open. There you go, look at that. Now, we let it sit there and do that for a little while. It's only 900 and something mils. It's 1 quart. It is bright red. It looks awesome. Anyway, we're going to keep doing this and we'll put the gear lever in next. Turn the ignition key on. One more. Alright, turn the key off. Alright, so we're back here inside the car. My dash vents finally arrived. These come direct from Japan from a supplier. I'm just going to go and chuck them in the dash and see how they look. Done in 10 million times better.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no.